Hello, this is experiment number 1. The difference between heterogeneous and homogeneous mixtures. You will need a clear jar of water and some dye. You are to take a little bit of the dye, put it into the jar, and now watch what happens. I will come closer so you can see it better. Now write down your observations. What do you notice about how the dye is spreading around? Is it a heterogeneous mixture or is it a homogeneous solution? Write down your answers. Okay, and now you can see after the solution has been sitting for 5 minutes, it is evenly spread through the whole glass of water. Hi again. Now we are going to do experiment number 2. And for this one, you need, again, a glass of water and some oil. Any vegetable oil will do. So I put in 1/3 of a cup of water in this jar already, and there is also 1/3 of a cup of oil in here. So you pour that in. You take a spoon and you give it a stir. Really good stir to mix it up. And now you are going to let the solution or mixture wait and dissolve and see if it does dissolve. Okay, it's been 5 minutes. And I'm going to bring this jar a little closer so you can see what happened. Okay, so as you can see, there's a clear, distinct line of the oil over the top of the water. Okay, so write down your observations and write down whether it's heterogeneous or homogeneous. Hi again, and now we're going to do experiment number 3. For this final experiment, you need an egg yolk, which I've already started. So you crack an egg, and you just go back and forth and let all the yolk go back and forth into the egg shells, but then you let all the egg white go into the bowl here. So I've collected all the egg whites in there, which we aren't going to use for this experiment, and I am going to put the egg yolk in this glass bowl. Okay, and then you need to take a teaspoon of vinegar and add it to the egg yolk and mix well. And that is step 1. Now for step 2. Okay, so this was the mixture after step 1. Now I am going to use this beater, and I'm going to beat the egg. Okay, as I'm doing this, you can see that the egg yolks with the vinegar are actually changing their color. And I'll show it to you closer. So write down your observations after step 2. Now I have finished doing step 3, which was another egg yolk and another teaspoon of vinegar. I'm beating it again as well. And I'm moving on to step 4. Now add in another half a cup of vegetable oil. Another teaspoon of vinegar. And then you mix. Partway through, you are to put in the remaining egg yolk and vinegar mixture. Again, mix well. Now to make your prediction. Here is the mixture. I'm going to let it stand for 5 minutes. And then you are to make a prediction. Is this going to be a heterogeneous or homogeneous mixture? Will the oil stay mixed together or will it float to the top? Stay tuned. Hello, it's been 5 minutes. Here is the mixture. Okay, as you can see, it's one consistent mixture solution. Okay, so write down your results. Is that heterogeneous or homogeneous? So in conclusion, we have our first experiment with dye and water, and it produced a homogeneous solution. Experiment number 2, our oil and water. And this did not create a solution, but a heterogeneous mixture. The oil is floating on top of the water. And finally, our last experiment, number 3, we created a homogeneous solution. The vinegar created an emulsion and that kept the oil emulsified with the other mixture. So we have a solution. Thank you for watching.